Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
Look,
This is where we parked last time.
Yeah, I was like, it looks different because we parked up here last time.
guys, look! If you can see right there, there's a baby waterfall.
There totally is.
Where? Way up there.
Way up there, Colton.
Alright, guys.
I see it! I don't think I want to snow. I see it! I might want to snow. But it's windy for snow.
When we came out here and it was the end of summer, like this place was packed. There was like people everywhere.
You hold this, Mama. I can't hold it. I can't. My clothes. Can we go back? I need clothes.
It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Check this out, man. This is so much different than when we were here before. Like we tried to take pictures in the waterfall, in front of the waterfall, and there was like people all in all of our pictures because there was so many people here.
Yeah.
Look how high that is, man. They're so excited. Hold on for a second, boys. Let's just get to check it out.
Hi, Corey. Stop.
That is just so crazy.
Down, you can sit on the bench and get a good shot. You can
Hey,
sit there.
Colton, back on the trail, man.
Boys, off the wall.
Okay.
Now.
Oh.
I want to see.
I'm a yes, ma'am.
Good job, Colton.
Way to be, dude.
And go.
It's 1 mile to the top.
It's 0.2 miles to the bridge, but it's 1 mile to the top. It's a journey, man.
Like this the whole way.
Hey, Dad, how much miles is 0.68?
That's a little more than half.
Half in a mile?
Boys, do not do what I'm about to do, please.
That's cool. Yeah.
I just said don't do what I do.
Oh, wait, I didn't hear you.
Mariah?
Yeah, I'm careful.
I'm careful.
No.
Corey.
I know I'm just your sister, but do as I say, not as I do.
Corey straight up said, I'm careful.
No, you
Hey,
are
but
right.
here's the thing. Sisters can't tell me what
I knew if I did that, they were
They're
like,
my
oh
sister.
yeah?
They're my sister.
He straight up real quick said, sisters can't tell you what to do.
They
They're
can't.
my sister.
When it comes to
They're
your
not my
safety,
mother.
Ooh.
leave.
She's basically your mother because she's a grown up. She can drive a car.
She can drive a car.
She's still my sister.
I'm a lot older than you. If I tell you something's dangerous, you listen to me, boy.
Oh, this is some journey. Hey, but look, see, you can see the bridge already. We're getting close already. It's not terribly far. It's just windy. It's a little chilly. We were just at that last place and I was thinking I'm wearing way too many layers. Golly, look at that view, Kimberly. Woo. I love how this is your guardrail.
Yeah, that's some bold. They need to get that a little better.
Whew. All right, Corey, wait up for Mama.
Hey, that's cool.
That is cool. Look, Corey, that little bitty one that you saw from way down there, look, it's right there.
I see it. Yeah, it goes. Making this.
You all right, man?
That little one way up there, see, Corey? He's Moses.
He's Moses.
I know it.
Boy, duck kick right.
Hey, Corey, Colton, right side. There you go.
A little bit of water moving.
Yeah.
Woo! All right, boys, slow down and wait up for Mommy. Hey, Corey and Colton, wait, guys. Colton, don't do that. You're gonna give Mommy and Daddy a heart attack. Hey, boys.
Got my own room. Here we go.
Corey,